This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, double check your notifications are on, and if you're hitting the like button, make sure it is working properly. These bad actors are doing everything in their power to suppress the channel so more people don't become aware of the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, Blackrock Bitcoin ETF was the fastest ETF to reach $70 billion. Okay, this is a major development in my opinion, because it gives me an idea of how high and how fast a XRP spot ETF can go. I'm going to tell you guys something. When BlackRock applied for the Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin was already trading at a price point that made it hard for retail investors to get into play. Okay? When the XRP spot ETFs are approved, and I believe it's going to happen in 2025. I believe it's going to happen before Q3, but that's just my opinion. Well, not Q3, probably within Q3. Probably within Q3 of 2025, maybe Q4, but I believe it's going to happen a lot sooner than most people think. But once the XRP spot ETF is approved and BlackRock applies for one, I believe it is going to get to 70 billion faster than the Bitcoin ETF got to 70 billion. And you know why? Because the barrier to entry into XRP is a lot different than the barrier of entry into Bitcoin. Right now, you can get a XRP for less than the price of a Starbucks coffee. Okay, so there is a lot more retail investors who are in XRP who probably don't own any Bitcoin even today. Okay, they probably don't even own any Bitcoin even today. And that's the thing. We were able to front run the institutions on XRP. I don't believe, and this is just my opinion, we will ever get another opportunity like this in my lifetime. I don't think so. I think this is a big opportunity. And I'm not telling you to buy Bitcoin. I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP. I'm just telling you that based on the speed the Bitcoin ETF got to 70 billion, I believe because the barrier of entry into XRP is a whole lot lower, the XRP spot ETFs are going to get to 70 billion a whole lot faster. Okay? And we all know that BlackRock is the big dog on the block. And they are definitely going to apply for XRP spot ETF. There's no doubt in my mind about that. And when they do, you're going to have billions of institutional dollars coming into the XRP play. And it is going to, in my opinion, just my opinion, send XRP past all-time highs. And then I don't see any limit for XRP. You guys know, I tell you guys this all the time. XRP spot ETFs approved, clear and concise regulations when it comes to crypto, and taking over international transfer from the SWIFT system. All those three things are going to push XRP past all-time highs. And when there's a BlackRock XRP spot ETF approved, it is going to reach 70 billion faster than the Blackrock Bitcoin ETF reached 70 billion. Bottom line is this. I believe XRP is a great opportunity. Once again, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell XRP, but I believe XRP has the potential to create generational wealth. And a lot of these bad actors don't want to see a majority of people financially independent. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's possible for a XRP spot ETF to get to 70 billion faster than the Bitcoin ETF? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.